Welcome back friends, and suppose if anyone has just bought a new Samsung mobile and he or she does not know how to configure mobile hotspot, this video is for them only. Many of the people are knowing it. It is very simple thing, but many of us are not knowing also. So this video is for them. I am going to cover all important aspects of hotspot, how to configure, how to put password, how to choose band, and many things. So this phone is now turning on. When this will turn on, I will start, I will come back. So in between, if you have not subscribed this channel, and if you like the video after watching this, please do consider to subscribe this channel. So the mobile has now started. It is on, fully on. The very first thing we have to do, just swipe it down. Here setting icon will come, just tap it. Now we will go to the setting. Here go below and see connections, not below, the first one, connections. In connections, here you will find mobile hotspot and that thing. Just tap it. Now mobile hotspot, just turn it on. Now hotspot is on, but to configure it, just tap here, it will open. If it is getting on, these things will come. From here, if you are tapping configure, from here you can select the name. You can change the name whatever you want, your name, family name, any character, anything you can change from here. You can write any XYZ. From here you can make it open or secured. If you are making it the password, you cannot put the password, so just put the password here, whatever you want, anything, any letter. From here you can choose the band, 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz. 5 gigahertz will be preferred, so that it can cover more range. From advanced, here you can set the mobile data limit. If you want to give internet to somebody, how much data you want to give, from here you can set the limit. If there is no device connected from your mobile, from here you can select from how much time, if any device is not connected to your phone, the hotspot should turn off. If you do not want to show this mobile name into the list of Wi-Fi networks available when anybody is searching, then just turn it on. So these are the, I'm cancelling it because it will disturb my configuration. These are the things which I wanted to tell you. If you want to share your mobile hotspot, just tap on the QR. From here you can, this QR you can send anybody, or they can scan and they can automatically get connected to your mobile hotspot. So these are the things I remember what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.